Today I show how to make this type of face mask. You need 2 pieces of cloth, put the right sides against each other and sew. Then turn the cloth so that the right side, or the front side, comes up and iron the seams. Take a steel wire a little longer than 10 centimeters and bend the ends with pliers. Put the wire between the fabrics inside the upper side of the mask. Sew a seam on both the upper and the lower side of the face mask. Sew from the front side. And now you can shape the upper edge to fit your nose. And now the folds. Fold 3 folds on each side. Place the folds evenly over the fabric. Use pins to make it easier. And now the folds go down in a nice way. Sew the folds both a little further in and at the edge of the fabric. Then you make the channels. First fold a little more than 1 centimeter and then a little more than a half centimeter of the fabric. And then you sew. Pull a rubber band through the channel. Tie a knot on both sides. And your face mask is ready.